guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with Croissant. So me and Croissant made some tamales. We made, I'm not sure how much. So there's my tamales, there's Croissant's. And
We made a dozen.
Yeah, we made a dozen.
Oh, that's
So I've
take the husk off.
I know you're not supposed to eat that. It's nasty. Bro, guys, I made it the Florida style.
That's chicken and pork.
Hold on.
What did I look at something open?
Oh, you guys bought the tamales?
Yes, right there.
I made them.
Oh, I need to.
They think I bought it because they're telling me my tamales are good. I made them, guys.
Chicken is with me.
What? Hey, those are mine.
Take my husk off, guys. My fucking son. The husk off. It's gonna be so good. And take the husk off. And you eat it.
Hey, get to your seat. Watch out. Wait, so.
Santa, you ugly.
Oh my God, shut up. So are you, Croissant. I'm gonna back it up. You're not gonna be in my vlog. You could be in it, but like at the same time. So guys, this is really good.
And you guys gotta go check out my Friends of July special. It's gonna be uploaded on Thursday.
Yes, on Thursday it's gonna be the 4th of July
We're
special.
gonna make fireworks for it. I have to fireworks. No, God.
Big bad Bella. Here's your fat Pocky's fucking turtle. Fat bitch.
Stop. You're gonna get me. Hey, put it back. Stop it.
Fat bitch.
You're fat too, stupid.
I'm skinnier.
No, you look like a fucking table, fucking skinny Bone Jones.
You know, I'm not care about my son.
Yes, I can.
Get the fuck out of my house. Get the fuck out of my house.
Fuck all my house again. Oh, you got a check.
What?
You have a check. It was in the mail.
I got it.
Guys, there's this guy named Jesse. He's fucking crazy. But we literally saw him by the San Clemente train school, and we saw, and we
I am.
Hey, you guys saw
Cheyenne,
Jesse
whatever
again?
it's called. Yeah, and we saw him in Santana,
He's on some tweet shit, huh?
and in Santa Ana we saw him.
What is it called? They're gonna crack him at the park because he was being scandalous.
You don't do a bato like that. You don't do nothing because it's all right, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, if you have it, like you think about it, anybody's get like that. Anybody is good shit is get like that. So you gotta keep.
Over here, like, we don't fuck with sweet.
Or they don't know. They don't know. They just ignore the bato, you know. That's what they gotta do. You know, because the bato's gone. You know, his mind is not right.
Yeah.
So it's like killing somebody, you know, like a kid or something.
Because it's so good. Me and Croissant make good food, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we should have showed us making it, but we couldn't.
We couldn't because like it would take us a long time, and then yeah.
And she didn't know how to like make it go fast. She doesn't know how to make the video go fast. Wow, I just never ate
Alright, guys, so
I don't want it.
hey, no,
Take this one too.
no.
I don't want the tamales.
No, I'm not eating it. I only eat 2. That's it. Guys, I swear this is so good.
So nasty.
The ones you made, you put a tapatio on it. That's why it's red, guys.
How tough is that fucking pork? I mean chicken and pork, dumbass.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you got what you want us to make the next video about. We already have a July special, so
I have been fine July.
bye, guys.
Hey! I'm not talking out there.
Stop. It's my vlog.
We're gonna like fucking not and that's fucking fireworks. Bye, guys.
Say bye, Croissant. Say bye, Croissant.
I love my toaster.
Wait, can I see that? I'm gonna hit them with this. So, bye.